Today I am going to go ahead and demonstrate building a series circuit in Multisim and testing for voltage and current in that circuit. So in Multisim here, you can go ahead and see I'm going to use place source and commands across the top here. I'm also going to possibly use these over here in the future, not today. So if I go ahead and hit place source, most of my things are in here. If I go to power source, right here is my DC power that we use in most of our circuits. If I double click on that, I bring it right into my drawing screen here. I can place that. I also need a ground. Your circuit will not simulate without a ground. To get my resistors, I could either come up here to place basic, or I can drop down right here to basic. Brings me the same place. Right there's resistors. Up at the top, I can type in what size resistor I want, hit enter, or hit OK, and it'll bring it into my drawing. Control R will rotate your resistor or any component that you are working with. I can also type K or whatever extension I need for my SI prefixes. Now let's say I wanted this to actually be 1.2K over here, and I accidentally just put 1.2. I can double click on that, change it right here. I could also change its resistance value. Same thing with my power supply. I want that to be 5 volts, so I just double click on it and hit 5, enter. All fixed. To connect these different parts, I go ahead and click on the end of one part, go to the next part. To put meters on here to go ahead and test for voltage and current, the easiest way is once again just come in here, drop down to indicators, and right here is voltmeters and ammeters. Remember, voltmeters, I can go ahead and place in there. Notice that I just defaulted to the voltmeter horizontal. Horizontal reverse is going to flip-flop the positive and negative. Vertical is going to be up and down, and vertical reverse flip-flops positive and negative. I'm going to place these in here. I'm going to use reverse here so I don't have to crisscross my wires. And I'm going to go ahead and grab my ammeter while I'm in here. Same setup on those with horizontal, vertical, vertical reversed, horizontal reversed. Remember that voltmeters run in parallel with what we want to test the voltage drop across. If I go ahead and hook up the ammeter the same way, it's not going to work. I'm going to go ahead and show you that here. If I turn this on, you'll notice we get readings for all those and no reading for our ammeter. Keep in mind we must break the circuit for the ammeter to work. So I go ahead and make the circuit flow through the ammeter. Now if I turn that on, you can see we get readings for all those. Using Kirchhoff's law, these numbers should all add up to our 5-volt source voltage. That is how we go ahead and build a series circuit and put voltmeters and ammeters on to test.